To the max wax, this is going to be the final stage when you're bringing your car paint back to life. So this is what we're going to focus on in this video. So let's get into it. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Drive Talk Cars. And in this video, we are going to be putting on the To the Max wax. Just like the Flex Wax, this is also graphene infused, and it provides the high gloss, the water repellency, and the chemical protection and the UV rays. But I went more into detail in my unboxing video of the products, and you can see that I'll have the links in the description down below, as well as a card up above you can click on and go see that. But for now, in this video, we're going to be applying this to the car now that we've done the one and done compound. And I want to show you how easy it is to get on and off, and I want to show you how to apply it to your car. So let's jump into the video. There's two forms for applying the To the Max wax, one being by hand and one being by DA polisher. There's only a few materials that you need for doing this job. The first one is going to be a damp microfiber cloth, a plush microfiber cloth for buffing off the wax, a applicator pad if you're going to do it by hand, and then a soft foam finishing pad or polishing pad if you're going to use the DA polisher. And that's all you need. To get started, first we're going to shake the bottle, of course. But to your hand applicator, you want to apply 3 dime size drops. Then I'm going to apply it to the paint. Since this is tight and I don't have a small pad on my DA, I'm going to use the hand polisher, and we're just going to apply it. So I'm just going to use the cross method where you kind of go across your own. Alright, so it's real easy to put on. We're going to let this sit for 2 to 3 minutes until it hazes over. We don't want it to really dry, but just want it to get hazy, and then we're going to buff it off. Alright, so now it has kind of hazed over. It's not completely dry. We're going to use our damp microfiber cloth. We're going to wipe it off first with that. Then using our plush microfiber cloth, we're going to buff it out. And you can feel on the cloth how smooth it is. Oh man, that's super smooth. Using the soft foam pad, usually it's the black one, we're going to use the DA and buff out the other areas. Alright, so we're going to apply 4 drops, dime size, to the pad. Then we're going to apply it to the trunk lid. Spread it out. Alright, here we go. Alright, we've applied it to the trunk lid, probably like 2 by whatever the trunk lid is. But you don't want to go too far of an area. So we're going to let this haze just like we did the other one. And then after 3 minutes, come back, wipe it off, and see what it does. After the haze is over, we're just going to wipe it down with the damp microfiber cloth and then buff it out. It is super smooth, and you can tell how smooth it is. I can just slide this with one finger across the paint. So right there you can see the line where it starts and stops, the To the Max side versus the just one and done compound side. So To the Max is really providing that extra high gloss that it says. All right, let's keep moving to the next sections.
Oh, In it for keepsake, in the field with the cleat lace. Beat freak with the bare face and a slick tongue, that's what she say. She look good, she a big tease when she bite lip with the wink face. Hella bad when she throwing it back, she bring that my way for the team play. For Pete's sake, I'm above average, I padded my stats. I gotta matter what he say. I'm the 2010 young LeBron James off the backboard, type of bad boy. Hold it down for the task force. If I run his fade, then you ask for it. Cross need to laugh more. I keep it 100 on dashboard. The live show needed passport, cause the beat bounced to the cap torn. Feel like I live it and fast forward, but I asked for it. Misfit got a quick lit on a crash course from the tattered garment to the tabloid. Spoke how I live it into existence. Might be ahead of myself, but the bank account did jump up a couple figures. Feel like nobody could with us. I'm a flight risk. I play among the stars in the Hollywood Hill to space station. Couldn't even get in touch with me. Praise faith that I stuck with it. Wave.
All right, so now that we have applied the To The Max wax, we have to wait 24 hours for it to fully cure. Then after that, we're gonna do a little water test to see the water repellency, and that'll be it. So see you in 24. It's been 24 hours, so let's check out the results of the To The Max wax. Looking at the paint, it is a really, really high gloss. So the next thing we want to check out is going to be the water repellency. As you can see, it beads up, flows right off. That is amazing. All right, and just like that, the shine is back after you dry it off. So just as a recap, the product is very easy to go on and easy to wipe off. It provides a very high gloss. It has a great water repellency. The coat is very smooth, and it's just a great product. So I'll have the link to the product in the descriptions down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me that thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, click that subscription button down below, as well as that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on future videos. And until next time, I'm out.